If you forgot your TikTok username and password, or you have a new device to log into your TikTok account, then don't worry. In this video, you will learn how to recover username and password on Android devices. Without any further delay, let's dive into the details. Open a browser on your Android. Make sure you are logged into your Google account on this browser. Tap on the Google profile icon on your browser. Tap on Manage your Google account. Here, swipe left and tap on Security section. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Password Manager. Find out TikTok and open the menu. Type your Google account password and hit Next. Here you will find your TikTok username and password. Copy them and use to log in to your TikTok account. Google Password Manager has been a great treasury for storing passwords for all other apps securely. In this method, you can recover a username and password for all your social media and important websites. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.